Welcome to today's video, where I'll share how you can teach online without appearing on camera for every class. If you love teaching but want to maintain your privacy, these platforms offer fantastic opportunities to earn income while staying behind the scenes. Let's dive right in. Course Hero. Course Hero is a great platform where you can share your expertise by answering students' questions or providing study materials. You don't have to conduct live classes. Instead, you respond to queries on your own schedule. Simply sign up as a tutor, select your subject areas, and start earning. Visit CourseHero.com to apply. Care.com. Care.com is best known for childcare and caregiving, but it also features educational services, including online tutoring. Create a profile, highlight your teaching expertise, and offer private online lessons. This platform lets you work on your terms with no requirement to appear on camera. Visit care.com to get started. Tutors.com. This platform connects you with students for one-on-one online tutoring. Many sessions can be conducted through document sharing or audio-based instruction instead of video calls. Visit tutors.com to sign up and list your services. Upwork. As a freelancer on Upwork, you can offer educational services such as curriculum design, learning resource development, and asynchronous coaching sessions. Create a compelling profile and start bidding on projects in the education category. Visit Upwork.com to begin. Fiverr. Fiverr allows you to create custom gigs for teaching services. Offer services like voiceover lessons, resource creation, or even email-based tutoring. Set your prices, delivery timelines, and requirements. You can explore more at Fiverr.com. Superprof. This platform offers a range of teaching opportunities. While many tutors use video, you have the option to offer offline tutoring services like written lesson plans or structured email coaching. Visit superprof.com to sign up. Wizant. Wizant is a tutoring marketplace that connects you with students seeking one-on-one help. While video lessons are common, you can also conduct lessons using chat-based tools and shared documents. Create your profile at wizant.com. Varsity Tutor. At Varsity Tutors, you can apply to become a tutor and schedule sessions based on your availability. While many lessons are conducted via video, some opportunities allow for asynchronous teaching through written explanations and resources. Apply at varsitytutors.com/tutorish application. Magic Ears. Magic Ears specializes in teaching English to young learners in China. While many lessons are video-based, the platform offers tools that let you use engaging digital content without needing to be fully on camera throughout the class. Learn more at mmears.com. By leveraging these platforms, you can teach and make a meaningful impact without the need to constantly be on camera. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on working remotely and earning from home.